So this is the XAUUSD analysis for Thursday, 7th of June. Now, let's just have a look at prices and where prices may likely go. So previously we had prices find support in around the 1290. Didn't quite get down towards that 1288, from which we have seen this price progression here to the upside. Breaking back above the 1296. Retested the level on a couple of occasions now. We do appear to be holding support in around this 1296. So if 1296 continues to hold support, we're looking for see how price react towards this 1300. We've had a few rejections from this 1300 level, but if we can break and hold a 1300 from this 1296, we're then looking for prices to progress towards that 1305. Successful break from which we're then looking for prices up towards that 1307.18. And if we do see sufficient volatility to the upside, we're then looking for prices to head up towards that 13.58. If, however, we do have a breakdown in prices from if we do break down from this 1296, if we do have a breakdown from this 1296, we're then looking for price to progress down towards this 1290, an area previously found support. And if we're not able to hold support at the 1290, which has been the most recent level of support in around the 1290, we're looking for prices to head down towards a more well-established level of the 1288. Successful break from which we're looking for a move down towards a 1284. And if we do see price progression to the downside here, we're looking for a move down towards that 1279.42, the very next level on the chart of some significance on the XAUUSD. What we'll do now is we'll have a brief look here at the daily chart. And over here on the daily chart, we can see here, we get scaling correct. We can see we've formed our lows, had this consolidation for us in the bullish buy side momentum, take us up towards that 1307 with daily confluence of 200 period moving average, from which we've had a rejection. We've not seen a price we've not seen prices progress to our most recent lows, slightly below the 1284. We've not had a retest of 1284. But we do appear to be seeing the buy side momentum come back into the market. So relative to the previous low, so we do have our lows, we do have a slightly higher low. If we can see this price progression here to the upside, and if we do see this price progression here to the upside, we do have this major level marked out here in around a 1305, along with the added confluence of the 200 period moving average sitting pretty close by. But if we can successfully navigate those levels, the very next level that we are looking at from a daily chart perspective would be a move up towards that 1325.50. So possibly a move up towards that 1325.50, but there are a few levels that we have to be aware of before we get there, like for example the 13.58 and 13.20. But from a daily chart perspective, 13.25 would be the very next level if we do see this price progression continuation here to the upside on the XAUUSD. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the XAUUSD analysis. Thanks for watching.